Auto Obsessed here. We're at the 2018 SEMA show, and I'm at the Microfiber Madness booth with Thomas from Germany. We've carried Microfiber Madness now for quite a few years. Microfiber Madness is absolute leaders in some of the towels, some of the fibers. Right now they've got a pretty whole line. Thomas, do you maybe want to talk about which products you make in Germany?
Yeah, for sure.
We got anything new coming down the pipe?
Okay, so what we can talk about our signature range is the Incredi range. That all these blue and white fabric pads you see, and the Incredi Mid, and the Incredi pad, the small one. There's a funny story behind, because we first had the small product done, and a group from the United States came to the US distributor and said, why the hell it's so small?
Yeah.
And we said, no one wants a big pad. And they said, please make a big one. I said, okay, if you like it, and it's a top seller.
And they were a big hit for us
but
too. Yeah.
The funny thing is, in Europe, it's very slow. But in the United States, the big cars maybe, that's the reason. So yeah, that's our wash signature line, and it's completely made in Germany.
Okay,
so it's 100% made in Germany, no cheating, no stuff behind. So it's not like, yes, we do everything in Germany and finally it's a Korean fabric or Chinese. No, it's completely done in Germany. I can walk in the factory and see what the people are doing. So no cheating. That's really 100% made in Germany, and you see it on the quality. It's the best you can get. It lasts long. No problem to wash and wash on higher temperatures. Dryer safe. No problem. So that's the signature line in washing. For sure, you have seen the brush, the Incredi brush. Yeah, it's the same fabric. We made it because many people requested a very soft wheel brush because they are afraid for the delicate surface on the wheels.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's was the first thing to do. And then it came in mind, if it's expensive for the people to buy such a brush, it's not cheap for sure, but they need a benefit. And the benefit here is that you can detach the cover, throw it in the washer, wash it, attach it again, and reuse it. And if it's worn someday, just buy a new cover and not a new brush. So it's really economic.
And then there's two sizes, right?
There are two sizes. That's the flat version. It's hard to see, but it's really flat to fit inside the brake calipers. So if you have just narrow space. And there's a round version. It's not so popular anymore, but yeah, if you have huge wheels, the round version is a little bit better. Yeah.
Perfect.
Okay.
So you guys are detailers yourself. That's why you.
That's true.
That's why you went and chose and worked to build a better microfiber, basically, right?
That's true.
You know, so it's a very niche product. It's lower, a little bit lower demand, a little bit again more for specialized, but absolute top quality. You're on top of it all the time on the manufacturing side of it, right?
Yeah.
And then you've also behind something else, right? So your detailers at home.
That's right.
And we need some tools.
Correct.
Right.
Correct.
So Detailing Outlaws.
Yeah, that's our second brand. So it's completely true what you say, that our roots are in the detailing industry, and we have our own detailing shop. We have every week we detail cars, and on the highest level, what we think is possible. So we see the problems every day. We see problems of missing towels, bad quality or whatever. Maybe we can make one step more with the Microfiber Madness. So to show you what's in our mind when we see problems. You maybe know the Dropnetic.
Right.
Some people don't understand what it is, but you see it's a magnetic strip, and for sure you are a detailer as well.
Yeah.
If you wash a car, it's completely dried, you pull it in your detailing room, you turn on the polisher, the vibrations come to the paint, and from any crevice, the small drops coming down and going onto your polishing pad. Just use the Dropnetic under the mirrors, for example, attach it, and all the drops are soaked up.
Exactly,
so
that's a fantastic idea.
That came because the pain was during the detailing.
Yeah, so you're thinking there's got to be a better way to do this. Yeah, exactly.
So, but to come back to your question, I can show you here. That's our new line. So that's our new brand. We created another brand after we created the Microfiber Madness brand. It's almost 10 years old, and now we are on the market with the Detailing Outlaws. I think it was a project from my heart, because I wanted to have a brand. I know I have no hustle to make next one. Everything takes time.
That's right, yeah.
When I think it needs a year to develop something, it's okay for me. I have no rush. And we almost took a year to develop the Buckenizer. And the Buckenizer, it was created because the problem, when we wash a car, you have brushes, another brush, maybe a third one, you have a wash mitt, whatever, and it's inside your water, and you're always looking, where's my brush? And it's stupid. And so what could be better than another small bucket? Yeah, that's it, that's a bucketizer. So we created it, it's detachable, stuck a little bit. So you can see it fits to Gamma Seal lids.
Right,
if you use a lid. If you don't use lid, we have a small crevice here. It's sticking on the lid of the bucket.
On a regular bucket or with the Gamma. Yeah.
That's right. And the good thing is you can remove it, you can store it inside. Even if you use a grid guard with a washboard, it fits inside. You have water drainage holes, so it doesn't fill up with water if you use wet stuff inside. Yeah. And a lot of detailers who bought it already say it's a game changer for the waterless wash, because they dunk all the dirty towels here.
Right. That's a great idea.
You know what happens? Where can I put my stuff? I put it on the floor or maybe on a rack, and it falls down. And
and it can drain and everything else. Yeah. I know a few years ago, actually, we could have used one of these. I was doing our exhaust tip video, and in one of the scenes, you'll see I'm actually fumbling for what to me it felt like a couple of minutes, about 15 seconds, live video, and I'm trying to find the right brush and picking it up. Okay. So the Buckenizer would have been awesome then. We just received the Buckenizers not that long ago, so they're online now. You guys, I'm sure, are working on some new things. We can't talk about that right now,
but we do.
Right? But hopefully 2019 or when it's ready type of thing. Yeah. So appreciate your time, Thomas.
Thank you.
So the Microfiber Madness products and the Detail and Outlaw products, you can see those online at autoobsessed.com. Thank you for watching.